thermodynamics. Now, quite frankly, I really don't know much about thermodynamics, because I just did not pay attention at all in my 11th grade physics class. And this is why today we brought in a specialist, Panama Jack, to help us out.
Well, howdy there, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Panama Jack. I just came back from the outbacks of Australia, chasing the wild alligators and the natural habitats. Today, we are going to talk about sodium acetate. This stuff is very reactive. It's extremely reactive. So reactive that even if the slightest air movement or touch will set it off. Now, to talk a little bit more about it, I'll show you the experiment. First, what we did was we took our distilled water and then we took our sodium acetate powder. We mixed it together and boiled it over the stove, and then we set it in the refrigerator to cool and finally get ready. Right now we will have Taylor come show you the experiment. Taylor.
Are you ready? Okay.
Sodium acetate. We are about to show you our experiment.
Alright, come in here close so you can watch it.
As Taylor presses this button, it will react violently. Watch as the crystals expand, becoming hot. Who would have thought? Now, as I press down, it's still liquid over here. But as I press the white, it's very hard. Now, as we can see, it's much warmer than it originally started as. This is what we call hot ice.
It's true, he's not lying.
It's very warm. This is what they use as a hand warmer.
Alright.
Right here we have our fully reacted sodium acetate. It's more of ice, like I said. I can tip it on its side and it won't fall out. But right now this is very hot. The reaction was exothermic, meaning it gives off heat. So even though it just came out of the refrigerator, it's hot. We like to call it hot ice. Hot ice. Doesn't make sense, but it is. Now, some people might ask what sodium acetate is.
What in the hell is sodium octide?
Well, I could be wrong, Theodore, but I believe sodium acetate is an old wooden ship used during the Civil War era.
You're completely wrong. Get out of the house.
Yeah, he's serious. You too.
Goodbye, Theodore. Actually, sodium acetate, its chemical formula is CH3COONA. Now, sodium acetate is used in things such as hand warmers. Like I said before, it's very reactive and it gives off lots of heat. So when it's in its little pouch and you smush it together, it gives off a lot of heat, allowing it to warm your hands.
What would you do if you were asked to give up your dreams for freedom? What would you do if asked to make the ultimate sacrifice? Would you think about all them people who gave up everything they had? Would you think about all them war vets, and would you start to feel bad? Freedom isn't free